Hello team, and welcome to this brief tutorial. Today we're going to be covering a short in and out of how to register and drop classes. Let's actually start. Hey team, and welcome to this brief tutorial. Today we're going to be covering the topic of registering for and dropping classes. So the first step that we're going to do is to navigate to our ulink.louisville.edu page. And once we've entered our student ID and our password, which were located in the admissions letter sent from the University of Louisville, you should be brought to a page that is somewhat similar to this. Up at the top section here, you can find the My Page and Student Services tab. We're going to go ahead and click on the Student Services tab once you have successfully logged in. Now for registration, over here on the right-hand column, there is a similarly labeled area called registration, and we're going to go down to right around the middle of the page. You'll see a couple areas where it says registration information, registration preparation, and then registration just on its own. And the first link underneath this registration area says add classes. That's the one that we're going to want to click on. Let's go ahead and click on add classes. And this first page that it brings up will show the different terms that we're eligible to register for. Now, at the time of filming this, we're in the middle of summer 2020, so let's not click on that. We're going to go ahead and click on fall 2020. And this should bring up the first interactive window where we can see, one, classes that could be in our shopping cart, and then classes that we're actually enrolled for. So these classes down here are the ones that I'm enrolled for the fall time, upcoming semester. Now, let's say I did need to add another course. I can stay up here in this top window and click on this guy, class search, and then I'm going to hit this search bar right here. And this should bring me up to my search area. Searching for classes is what this window will help me with. Now, unfortunately, on this video, it does not show the drop-down menus that I'm looking at. But when you click on these different areas like subject, course number, course career, it should bring up quite a wide array of options. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this subject drop menu. And I'm going to search for something, say, like mathematics. I'm going to go ahead and locate the mathematics area. And then I'm going to hit search. Okay, good. The search will return over 50 classes. Let's go ahead and click OK. Now, what this search will do is it will essentially bring up more or less every math class that is being offered during fall time. As you can see, 81 different class sections that this search pulled up. And that's perfectly okay. That's great. Let's go ahead and register for this Math 105, assuming that's the class that we need. To go ahead and put this class in our shopping cart, I'm going to hit select. Okay, and always a smart idea to look at this enrollment information. Make sure there are open spots here. Take a look at the units it's worth. Once everything looks okay, fits well with my schedule, I'm going to go ahead and click next. And as you can see, this dropped it into our shopping cart area. So it's not quite ready to be placed in our class schedule yet, but to do so, I'm going to go ahead and click this select checkbox right here on the left side. And then the final step, hit enroll. Looks like it selected that class okay. Hit finish enrolling. And that should confirm the class. Okay, great. Yeah, this class has been added to your schedule. I'm going to go ahead and click on my class schedule to double check that that was added properly. Awesome. Yeah, it looks like everything went through smoothly on that. Now, in a situation where you might have overbooked a class, something else comes up, you might have to manipulate your schedule a little bit. Let's go ahead and drop this math class to give you an understanding of how we can do that as well. So from this class schedule overlook, we can navigate up to this top search bar right here. It gives you a bunch of different links to a couple easy action items, and we're going to go ahead and click on drop. As you can see, all we have to do is select the specific class that we want to drop, and we can do so by selecting one of these left-hand side checkboxes. So I'm going to locate my Math 105, select the checkbox, and then right here in the bottom right corner, select drop selected class. Looks like it did select that successfully, and one more time I'm going to hit finish dropping. Excellent. Gave me the similar success message as well. This class has been removed from your schedule. I'm going to double check one more time. Excellent. So yeah, from there we get a pretty good idea of the ins and outs of how to add courses to our schedule, also a simple way to drop courses from our schedule as well. So hopefully this video was helpful in first-timers trying to get a better understanding of how to navigate the University of Louisville add and drop system. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We have an email at cehdgss@louisville.edu. One more time, that's cehdgss@louisville.edu. Or if you want to come in on foot as well, we're located at 123 in the Porter Education Building, and we're there from standard office hours around 8:30 to 9, or excuse me, 8:30 to 5, Monday through Friday. Thanks, team.